Hello, today I'm going to show you how to buy a stock on the stock market. We'll look at this on a platform that is completely free where you can sign up and create a real account, but also have a demo account with 100,000 fake dollars. So you can practice without taking any risk. So this platform is eToro. You'll find the link right in the description of this video. You can click on it and sign up to follow this tutorial live. So why are we going through this platform? Because quite simply, it's a platform that is very easy for beginners compared to other platforms where it's extremely complicated. Here, everything is simplified. So once registered by using the link just below the video, you can either be on the real account, so normally you'll have $0 when you arrive, or $0. And if you want to switch to the virtual account just to practice, you can click at the very bottom left, and here access the virtual wallet, and here you'll have 100,000 fake dollars. So this way, you take no risks, and you really see how it works. And the day you really want to make investments with real money, you click on Deposit Funds. Here you can deposit either euros or dollars. So it's very simple. First, we will look together at how the platform works, and then I will show you how to invest. So eToro works a bit like a social network, so everyone has a profile and everyone can see other people's profiles. So if you wish, you can go and see your profile by clicking here on your username. You arrive at a wall, so you can write things here in public if you wish you don't have to. And you can see all your stats since you've been on the platform. So for example, I'm going to go to statistics. And here you can see all my stats since I've been on the platform. So month by month, how much I've gained or lost. You can see last year I made plus 30%, this year currently plus 6%. And if I scroll down, I have other statistics. What's good about this platform is that you can also copy other traders to benefit from their experience. So we'll be looking at that as well later on. Next, another important tab will be your wallet. I click on it. Here you can see all the places I've invested. So here you can see on this account currently, I copy people primarily, but you can also buy stocks, ETFs, or invest in cryptocurrencies if you wish. And here you can see each time how much I earn or lose. Next, another important tab will be the search tab. This is where you can find all the places to invest. So either you directly know the name of a stock or something else, you type it in the search bar, or you come and browse here to see everything that is offered to us. And you can also see this with the filters at the very top. For example, here, I will try to find a stock. I will type Tesla in the search bar. You can find it here. I can click on it. And here I arrive directly on the stock sheet. So I can see all these stats. I can see the news feed. So what people are currently saying about Tesla on the platform. If I wish, I have a much more detailed chart in the graph and even more financial data here in the tabs. If I want to buy this stock, I click on Invest. Here I have the investment panel displayed. I can choose the amount to invest. So here I'm going to put, for example, $10. Next, I can set a stop loss and take profit. So this is for setting loss or profit limits. We are not going to set it here. You can also use leverage, but leverage is not really recommended for beginners. So stick to the hay. And then you can click on the buy button. There you have a notification that will appear at the bottom. And you can go to your profile, so to wallet. And here, if you wish, you can go all the way down and you will find your action. And here you can click on this action. And there you can directly see how much you are gaining or losing. And you can also resell your share if you wish by clicking on the close button and then close the position. There you have a notification, and that's it. your stock will be resold. There may be a delay if the stock exchange is closed at that time. Next, if you wish, you can also copy other investors. So you can go to Copy Investors, and here you will have plenty of people currently trading on eToro whom you can copy with a single click. For example, I will click on a person here. I can see this person's statistics, very detailed. So the statistics, then I can display everything. And there I can see year by year how much she earned. And if I want to copy it, I click on Invest here, and it's exactly the same as when you buy a stock. So there you go. You now know how to buy and sell a stock, and even copy someone. So if you liked it, don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.